Bula. You know, when they say that when you're translating from English to Fijian or Fijian to English, they say that, oh, English is better because it is more short, succinct. Fijian is too long, too wordy. Well, I'm gonna give you some examples and you be the judge. So, off the top of my head, let me think of a sentence in Fijian and we'll see. Let's try to. Oh no, the alarm is gone off. Then let's see if we can translate that, okay? So, for example, the invitation by Kana. Okay, what would that be in English? Come, and then the conjunction, come and eat. All right, this one example. Uh, sorry, they now. No, English would be, what is your name? Okay, if you wanna make the English a little bit succinct, what's your name? Okay, and with that, or you stretch it out. Sorry. Uh, what is your name? Oh, sorry. Yeah. What is your name? There you go. So just those two sentences, or two, or one is a sentence and one is a statement, just like that. What is, which is wordy, English or Fijian? You be the judge. Pinak.